On a typical freezing day in Siberia's Amur region, a man walking his dog stumbled across something that defied explanation. Buried in the snow was a small, 3-foot-long figure with dark grayish-blue skin and no discernible facial features. It lay motionless, its eerie form sending chills through the man who discovered it. The creature was missing a limb, and its head was tilted in an unsettling way, almost as if frozen mid-scream. Captured on video, this discovery sent ripples of curiosity and speculation through both the local community and beyond. Was this an actual extraterrestrial encounter, or was there a more earthly explanation behind the bizarre find? The footage quickly gained traction online, sparking heated debates about the possibility of alien life. After all, Siberia has a mysterious history when it comes to unexplained phenomena. In 1908, the Tunguska event leveled millions of trees across a vast area, widely believed to have been caused by a meteor strike. Yet, theories persist that the destruction could have been the result of a crashing alien spacecraft. More recently, in 1996, a peculiar creature dubbed Alyoshenko was reportedly discovered alive by a local woman. Though its origins were never conclusively determined, the story reignited discussions of extraterrestrial life in Russia. Now, with this new discovery, those same theories were fueled once more. Experts quickly began analyzing the footage, offering insights into what the creature might be. Field biologist Lucy Eckersley immediately dismissed the possibility of it being human. "I can tell right away this isn't human. Its head shape, the lack of a chin, and its overall proportions do not match any known human deformities." However, Eckersley did note the creature's unusually long arms, which reminded her of primates like squirrel monkeys. These small monkeys, native to the tropical rainforests of South America, have no place in Siberia's subarctic climate. The possibility that this creature had escaped from a private collection or zoo was considered, but how could it have survived in such extreme conditions? Forensic investigator Chase Ketty approached the situation from a different angle. She focused on the physical and environmental details captured in the video. "There's no gore, no liquid," she pointed out. A freshly deceased biological organism, whether terrestrial or extraterrestrial, would likely show signs of fluids, blood, pus, or other biological substances. Yet, this body appeared unnaturally clean. Additionally, the surrounding snow was pristine, with no signs of a crash, impact, or struggle. If the creature had fallen from the sky, as some theorized, there should have been some evidence to support that claim. Ketty's observations fueled skepticism about the authenticity of the video. You would expect to see something, whether it's alien blood, fluids, or even some sort of puff or disturbed snow. But there's nothing. While it was possible that the figure had been staged or fabricated, questions remained about its origin and purpose. Could it be an elaborate hoax created for internet fame? Or was there another, yet unidentified, explanation for the strange find? Ultimately, the video left more questions than answers. Without physical evidence or additional context, the creature's identity remained a mystery. While some held on to the hope of alien visitation, others dismissed it as a hoax or misidentified remains. Regardless of the truth, the incident added another layer of intrigue to Siberia's enigmatic history, ensuring the story would linger in public imagination for years to come. While the frozen alien discovery captivated imaginations with its extraterrestrial allure, it was not the first time strange remains had sparked debate in Russia. Just a few years earlier, another eerie find, a petrified creature with an alien-like appearance, was uncovered in a small Russian village. In 2011, a local farmer reported that his home was shaken by a large explosion nearby. Upon investigating, he stumbled upon something unusual, a mummified, petrified creature with an odd appearance, bearing no resemblance to any known wildlife. The discovery, captured on video, showcased the remains of this mysterious being, prompting both fear and fascination among villagers. The remains were particularly peculiar. Its head had an unfamiliar shape, and its torso and limbs appeared equally alien in structure. The near-perfect preservation of the creature only added to the mystery. Villagers, unsure of what to make of it, turned to folklore for answers. Some speculated it could be linked to Baba Yaga, a supernatural figure in Slavic mythology known for kidnapping and devouring children. Meanwhile, scientific explanations began to surface. journalist Aaron McCarthy suggested the creature could be a long-extinct species unearthed by the melting permafrost. In recent years, Russia's thawing permafrost has revealed prehistoric creatures such as woolly mammoths and rhinos. Could this petrified being be another unknown species lost to time? Others compared the find to natural mummification processes, such as those observed in Lake Natron, Tanzania, where high alkaline waters preserve animals almost instantly. However, no such conditions exist in Russia, making this explanation less likely. Forensic analyst Mick West examined the footage to determine whether the remains could be a hoax. He noted that crafting such a convincing model would require a real specimen as a reference, suggesting the remains were genuine. However, the question remained, what kind of creature was it? Some biologists suggested the being's large eye sockets and bird-like facial structure indicated an avian origin, but its apparent teeth ruled out most bird species. Others speculated it could be a type of fruit bat, such as a flying fox. These bats have long necks, large noses, and wing-like limbs, sharing similarities with the mysterious remains. However, flying foxes are native to tropical climates, not Russia. Until the farmer or his family provides the specimen for scientific analysis, the creature's true nature will remain unknown. Whether an extinct species, a clever hoax, or something far more extraordinary, the story highlights humanity's tendency to blend science and folklore in the search for answers. As if eerie remains were not enough, a separate event in Moscow would reignite speculation about extraterrestrial activity, this time, not from the ground, but from the sky. In May 2019, a photographer in Moscow set up his camera to capture a stunning image of the full moon. What he captured instead left him completely bewildered. As he focused his lens, a series of dark, circular shapes began passing across the moon's surface. First, 3 black circles appeared, followed by more in a loose formation. At first glance, these objects appeared massive, moving in a coordinated pattern. Astrophotographer Andrew McCarthy analyzed the footage and estimated their size based on the moon's diameter. If these objects were orbiting the moon, as some speculated, they would have to be 2 to 3 miles in diameter, nearly 40 times larger than the International Space Station. This revelation led to wild theories about massive alien spacecraft stationed near the moon. However, astronomers offered alternative explanations. Some suggested the objects were satellites orbiting Earth, such as SpaceX's Starlink network. Others believed the objects could be migratory birds silhouetted against the bright lunar surface. Mark D'Antonio, a video effects expert, pointed out that birds, when flying in formation, can create the illusion of changing shapes, especially in low-light conditions. Given that the movement patterns in the footage were inconsistent with known spacecraft behavior, the migratory bird theory seemed the most plausible. Whether evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence or simply birds in flight, the sighting once again demonstrated how easily the unexplained can capture human imagination. And as long as such mysteries persist, the fascination with alien encounters will never fade. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.